gentlemen, we'd like to introduce ourselves. My name is Natasha.
My name is Natya, and my name is Katya.
And let me begin our speech with a question to you. What are the women's figure standards that have been on people's mind for many years? Of course, it's 90 to 60 to 90. You see, even talking about beauty, where everything is subjective, people are trying to bring all the points to some standards. Certainly, in some cases, it's really necessary to have a law which we should try to achieve. For instance, there are standards made by International Organization for Standardization, or shortly ISO.
ISO is the world's largest organization. It's a developer of a luxury international standard that has been existing for over 60 years, since 1947, and has developed over 18,000 different standards for nearly every aspect of technology and business. And now we'd like to show you a short video about this organization.
We live in an amazing world, full of incredible opportunities and endless possibilities. But it can also be a complex and overwhelming place. There are many challenges facing our environment, economy, and society. ISO can make a positive difference to all our lives. Utilizing a wealth of international experience, ISO standards can help tackle global challenges like climate change, road safety, energy, and social. ISO builds confidence for today, for tomorrow, and for the future.
Facing these challenges requires leadership and vision. However, leaders also need practical tools they can rely on. ISO standards help chief executive officers to create growth, open up global markets, to facilitate trade, reduce risks, and ensure that developing countries share in the benefits. Standards help to build partnerships, increase customer satisfaction, and ensure quality, making the world a more productive, creative, and safer place. Now, as you can see, when things don't work as they should, it often means that the standards are absent. And now we are going to talk about two most important for economics and business groups of standards.
And the first of them is 9,000 family. Companies of all developed countries are looking for improving its product quality and increasing its competitiveness in the global market. And one of the important conditions for solving this problem is an effective system of management. The ISO 9000 family represents an international system of quality management practices. And one of the most important standards in this family is 9001. This standard provides a set of standardized requirements for quality management systems. Also, the standard just laid down what requirements the company's quality system must have, but it doesn't, so to say, dictate how they should be met in a particular organization. This leaves a great flexibility for implementation of this standard in different business sectors or different business cultures. But also, inaccuracy in standards opens wide opportunities for different consulting firms, which substantially increase the cost of development and implementation of ISO 9001. And the next standard is 9004 in this family. This standard, which is managing for sustained success. So, sustained success, how can be sustained success achieved? So, the first point is meeting expectations of companies' customers by an effective system of management, and of course through the awareness of companies' environment. And so, as I said, environment is also a very important theme. The next very important standard is 14,000 family.
The ISO 14,000 environmental management standards exist to help organizations to minimize their harmful influence on the environment and to follow environmentally oriented requirements. However, the standard doesn't dictate absolute environmental requirements, but assist companies in developing their own environmental management system. The ISO 14000 is a standard that can be used to meet internal objectives as assuring employees that they're working for a environmentally responsible organization, and external objectives, as for example, supporting the organization's claims and communication about its own environmental policies, actions, and plans.
Of course, for us it's actual to talk about the situation in Russia. So one of the major causes of our countries slowing down in the development of QMS, its quality management systems, is inaccuracy in standards. So in many countries such as Hungary, Czech Republic, Poland, where state thinks about their prestige of their national industry, the cost of implementing the ISO partly is compensated by the country. So if the company with its products or its services works for export. So because the Russian business can't expect help from our government, it's really good for them to maybe merging with the same the companies that have the same type of productions and the conditions. So for example, construction or agriculture, etc. However, the situation with ISO in Russia seems to be strange. As you see on the picture, why is the main thing we are thinking about.
Yes, so in conclusion, we would like to say that, of course, consumer products and services should obligatory have standards, but today standardization is entering into every sphere of one's life, even in values, ideas, images, and beauty. And we can't predict how it will turn out in the future. So, thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please, yes.
Could you tell